Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are continuing our discussion in HTTP client. HTTP client being added in Java 11 and other features and the components we are discussing, and we have implemented about the HTTP client get, post, put and delete examples as well. I'll strongly suggest you guys to watch this playlist in order to gain entire knowledge. Okay, not entire, but yeah, more useful knowledge. So in our previous videos what we did is HTTP client with JSON body we have implemented. Now what we are going to do is, without sending any body, we are going to do this post with the help of HTTP client. Let's get there first. So this is the endpoint. I have the post call here, and when I click on send, I'm getting the response. Okay, so let's consume this call, okay, with the help of HTTP client. So here I am here in my service layer, and I'm only using two files. One is a service, another one is student HTTP controller. Okay, and all the details about the code will be available in GitHub. I'm going to put that in the description so that you guys can check it out. So let me keep as of now void. Later we'll try to develop. Okay, get. So like, let me keep post with nobody example. Okay, since we are not sending anybody, it's not accepting any parameters as well. Okay, so we knew that there were three important components of HTTP client. Let's implement the first one, that is HTTP request, right? So HTTP request is nothing but request is equal to HTTP request dot new builder dot build. Okay, then in new builder what we are going to do is, first we need to set the URL. Okay, that is new URL of the endpoint. This is my endpoint. Okay, and here I'm using a post call here, right? Then this is HTTP request, right? So HTTP request dot BodyPublisher's dot here NoBody. We have this, right? So let's use that. I think this is a major thing. Remaining everything is simple. Then let's go to the second component, which is HTTP client. Okay, so the second component is HTTP client is equal to HTTP client dot new HTTP client, right? Then the third component is HTTP response. So HTTP response, let me take that response into the string here. Response is equal to client dot I am using a synchronous, so I'm using send method here, request comma here HTTP response dot body publishers. So basically here we are getting this entire response into the string format. Okay, so here body handlers dot offString. Okay, and let's get that response directly. This is nothing but my string. Okay, in order to test this, what we are going to do is we are going to put this service into a controller so that we can test it directly. So in order to save time, what I did is I have created one service here with post with nobody. Okay, else you can keep example like this. Okay, then I have already auto-whiled my service, so simply use that post with nobody example. Yeah, here whatever that exceptions are there, let's add them to the method signature. Okay, I think we are good to go. Let's run this application and check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so these are the steps. HTTP request, the important thing is this one point. Okay, that's the most important thing, right? So our application is building. In the meantime, what we can do is we can set up our postman here. So my application is running at 9013/http. Okay, this is nothing but my one second, where is the controller? This is the controller. Yeah, yeah, HTTP, yes. Then this one, the actual endpoint, and this is the post. I'm not sending any body here, so body should be none. Yeah, I think we are good to go. Click on send. Here you could see we got the response into the string format. Let's go to the logs. Let me show you here. Right, we got this response properly. I think that's all from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.